Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we are doing errors and approximation, one topic, right? So yesterday also we solved some problems on this topic, errors and approximations. So today also we are solving from the same exercise, right? So exercise 10A we are solving the problems. Now come to the first question. If y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6, then find delta y and dy when x is equal to 10 and delta x is equal to 0.01. Okay, so come on, how we will solve? Already we solved two problems, right, based on this errors and approximation by taking this formula delta y and dy. I said delta y is called error in y, absolute error in y, and dy is called approximate value of y. When there is a small change in x, right, we will get this delta y and dy values, right. That means if there is a small change in x, definitely there will be change in y. Y means, observe, your y is in terms of x. Y is nothing but an equation in terms of x, right. So that's why if there is a small change in x, definitely there will be change in y. That is called the error. If there is an error in x, definitely there will be error in y. So we have to find that error. So they will give x value and they will give what is the error occurred in x. It is denoted by delta x. In the question they will give x value and delta x. Delta x means change in x. Change in x means error in x they will give, right. So if there is an error in x, what will be the error in y? That is the question they asked. Okay. Similarly, approximate value in y when there is a small corresponding change in x. So approximate means there we will use a derivative to change, to know the change in y. Okay. So come on, first question. What is your first question? Given function, right. So given that, so what is that? Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6. We will consider this as f of x, function in terms of x. Okay. And one more information is given to us, x is equal to 10 as well as the error in x, the change in x, it can be increasing or decreasing, right. So 0.01 is the error in x. Okay. So now what will be our f of x plus delta x? So in the function f of x is x square plus 3x plus 6. If you want to write f of x plus delta x, wherever x is there, you take x plus delta x. Okay. So it is x plus delta x whole square plus 3 into x plus delta x plus 6. This is your f of x plus delta x. So come on, this is a plus b whole square form, a square, right, b square plus 2ab form, okay, plus 3x plus 3 delta x plus 6. Why we have taken f of x plus delta x here? To get our delta y. What is this delta y? Error in y, right, error in y when there is a small error in x, right. So absolute error or error in y is called delta y, and your delta y formula is, what is that? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay. So is equal to f of x plus delta x is x square plus delta x whole square, right, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is x, b is delta x. Okay. So delta x whole square plus 2x delta x plus 3x plus 3 delta x plus 6 minus f of x minus of this one. F of x is x square plus 3x plus 6. Minus of this means minus of all the terms. Minus x square minus 3x minus 6. Okay. So, if you observe carefully, plus x square minus x square cancel, and minus 3x plus 3x cancel, and plus 6 minus 6 cancels. So, now your values are delta x whole square plus 2x into delta x plus 3 into delta x. Okay. So, all terms are having delta x, so we can take delta x common. So, delta x is equal to delta x plus 2x plus 3. Okay. So, is equal to, what is your delta x? It is 0.01 into delta x is 0.01 plus 2 into x. What is x? It is 10 plus 3. Okay. So, is equal to 0.01 plus 2 into 10 is 20 plus 3. Okay. So, is equal to 0.01 plus 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 0.01 is 23.01. Okay. So, is equal to 0.01 into 23.01 is 0.2301. This is your delta y value. Question is find delta y as well as dy, right? So, how we will find dy? There is a formula. What is that? F dash x into delta x. Okay, f dash x into delta x. So, f dash x is d by dx of f of x, right, into delta x. Okay. So, is equal to d by dx of f of x. What is your f of x? It is x square plus 3x plus 6. Okay, into delta x value is given as 0.01. You know it very well. Whenever we are having in differentiation, plus sign is there, we will take a separate derivatives, isn't it? So, individual derivatives, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 3x, 3 is a constant, we will write outside, plus d by dx of 6, okay, into 0.01 is equal to d by dx of x square is 2x plus 3 into d by dx of x is 1 plus 0, right, into 0.01. d by dx of 6 number. Derivative of numbers and constants are always equals to 0. Numbers and letters, right, they are said to be constants. D by dx of all the numbers, all the letters are equals to 0. Simply d by dx of constant is equal to 0. Okay. So, now you substitute your x value also. What is your x value? 2 into x is given as 10, right, plus 3, okay, 3 ones are 3 into 0.01. So, is equal to, it is 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 23 into 0.01 is equal to, what is the value? It is 0.23. Generally, your delta y, dy values will be very, very nearer. Actually, we are finding the error in y, the change in y. Here we are saying the error in y when there is an error in x, right? We will find that one by using the formula delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. There we will say approximate value of y when corresponding change in x. That means dy means nothing but rate of change of y with respect to x. If there is a change in x, what will be the change in y? So dy means rate of change of y. Okay. So both are same but methods are different, right? Here also we are finding change in y, there also we are finding change in y. So values will be very nearer to each other. Okay. So now come to the second question. Is it clear? So first they have given f of x value, right? Y means it is equation in terms of x, isn't it? It is given that y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6. You can ask, madam, they mentioned y is equal to not f of x. What is the meaning of f of x? Any equation in terms of x is called f of x. That's why I have taken that as f of x. And x value is given to us and error in change in x is also given to us. Okay. So then I have taken f of x plus delta x. Why we have to take f of x plus delta x means to get our delta y formula is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So before taking the formula only we have taken all the required values. We simplified the required values. So we want f of x plus delta x also for this formula. That's why I have taken f of x plus delta x. So f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 6. So here we are taking in x place, we are taking x plus delta x means in the equation also wherever x is there you take x plus delta x. Okay. So x plus delta x whole square plus 3 into x plus delta x plus 6. So this is of the form a plus b whole square. Okay. So a square plus b square plus 2ab form and open the brackets. This is your f of x plus delta x. So we got our required value. Now you take your formula delta y. The error in y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So if any simplification, if any positive negative terms are there, cancel them, then we got this one. And again if you observe, here delta x is there, here delta x is there, here delta x whole square is there. So we can take delta x common, right? So after that we substituted, x is given to us in the question, right? In all these questions x will be given and the rate of change in x also, the error in x also will be given to us. So substitute that delta x, rate of change in x or error in x is denoted by delta x. Okay. So 0.01 into 0.01 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 we have to take, right? So 2 tens are 20, right? 20 plus 3, 23, 23 plus 0.01, 23.01 into 0.01, that is 0.2301. Okay. This is your delta y. Delta y means error in y. Okay. Next we have to find dy. Dy, here we will use differentiation, right? What is its formula? Always dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. What is the meaning of f dash x? It is d by dx of f of x is called f dash x. So derivative of the given function, right? So in the function, in the derivative, suppose plus minus signs are there, we will go for individual derivatives. So I have taken all the individual derivatives and d by dx of numbers and letters is equal to 0. It is standard formula, right? So that's why 2x d by dx of x square is 2x, 3 into d by dx of x is 1, right? And this d by dx of a number is 0, right, into 0.01. So now we cannot further simplify. Now you substitute your x and delta x values here. So in x place 10, it is given in the question, and simplified we got the answer. Now come to the second question. Here what is the given information to us? Given that y is equal to, come on, e to the power of x plus x is given. So again it is equation in terms of x. Whenever it is equation in terms of x, we will write it as function in terms of x, we will write it as f of x. Okay, and also what is the information given to us? X is equal to 5, right, and delta x is equal to 0.02. Okay, so now we have to find same delta y and dy. So to get delta y, what is the formula? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. That means f of x is there, given question only. Now we have to find f of x plus delta x value. So come on, f of x plus delta x. Before applying the formula, you find out all the required values, just substitute, it will be easy for you. So f of x plus delta x is equal to, that means this is your function, f of x is equal to e to the power of x plus x. Isn't it? So wherever x is there, now we are writing f of x plus delta x. That means here instead of x I am taking x plus delta x. So in the equation also, wherever x is there, we have to take x plus delta x. So come on, e to the power of x plus delta x plus, again x is there now, so x plus delta x. Wherever x is there, there we have to take x plus delta x, right. So a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. The one standard formula is there. So e to the power of x plus delta x can be written as e to the power of x into e to the power of delta x plus x plus delta x. So we got our required value. Now you find out, you can easily find out your error in y, absolute error in y or error in y. Delta y is equal to, come on, f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, so already we used 2-3 problems, right, in 2-3 problems. So you have to get used to this formula. So f of x plus delta x, it is e to the power of x, e to the power of delta x plus delta x minus f of x. What is your f of x? E to the power of x plus 1, minus of that one, minus e to the power of x minus x. Okay, so plus x minus x will get cancelled, that is minus x, this is plus x will get cancelled. And observe these two problems, e to the power of x is common in those two problems. So you can write e to the power of x common, you can take e to the power of x common, then e to the power of delta x minus 1 plus delta x. Okay, so now you know your x value, you know your delta x value, right? Just substitute. That means we can't further simplify, then you apply your x and delta x in the problem. So now e to the power of y, x is given as 5 and e to the power of delta x is given as 0.02. Okay, minus 1 plus delta x is given as 0.02. That's all. We don't know e to the power of y, e to the power of 0.02. Exponential table we needed. So this is enough. We no need to go further. Okay. So just normal numbers we can multiply, we can write. But e to the power of 5, e to the power of 0.02, keep the value as it is. Now find out dy. Question is find delta y and dy. So what is the formula for dy? It is approximate value in y and its formula is f dash x into delta x. What is the meaning of f dash x? It is d by dx of f of x into delta x. Okay, so d by dx of f of x. So come on, What is our f of x given function? It is e to the power of x plus x into delta x. Okay, so is equal to, whenever plus minus sign is there, we will take a separate derivatives for each and every term. So d by dx of e to the power of x, d by dx of x, okay, into delta x. What is the given value? 0.02 is equal to d by dx of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, right, plus d by dx of x is 1, okay. So into 0.02 is equal to e to the power of, what is the x value given in the question? 5, right, e to the power of 5 plus 1 into 0.02. Okay, if we take exponential table and if we check e to the power of y, if we substitute and simplify here, e to the power of 0.02 e to the power of 5, we will get almost nearer values for delta y and dy. So we do not know e to the power of y and e to the power of 0.02 values, just keep them as it is. Okay, so these are the two problems for errors and approximation from the exercise 10a. Okay, so observe carefully, in two problems y is equal to some equation in terms of x is given to us. So equation in terms of x means we can say it as function in terms of x. So we can write it as f of x. Y, to get our delta y, we need our f of x. If we know f of x, we can easily write f of x plus delta x, isn't it? How we can write in x place? Just you take x plus delta x, you will get your f of x plus delta x. Okay. Why we need f of x and f of x plus delta x means to get our delta y. In the question they asked to find delta y and dy, error in y and approximate value in y, corresponding change in x value. So in the question only they will give x value to you and error in x, delta x also will be given in the question. If there is an error in x, what is the error in y? That is the question. Okay, so delta y means error in y and its formula is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, so f of x plus delta x means in the given function wherever x is there, we have to take x plus delta x. Okay, so x plus delta x whole square plus 3 into x plus delta x plus 6. Okay, and expand it. Okay, a plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab and 3x plus 3 delta x plus 6. Okay, so after that you take the formula, simplify and substitute x, and after the simplification, that means if no simplification, further simplification is possible, no further simplification is possible, then you substitute your x and delta x in the equation, you will get your delta y value. Okay, so next dy is nothing but a rate of change of y, right, with respect to x, right. So its formula is f dash x into delta x. F dash x means d by dx of f of x. Anywhere, not only in this particular first year class, any class f dash x, right, means d by dx of f of x, a derivative of f of x. So find out the derivative of f of x, simplify, after that in x and delta x place you substitute, you will get the answer. Okay, so generally delta y and dy values will be very nearer. We are finding the change in y with the corresponding change in x with two different formulae, that's it. Okay, so next come to the question, y is equal to e to the power of x plus x is given to us is equal to f of x, right. So we have taken is equal to f of x. Why? The equation is in terms of x, function in terms of x. Actually f of x means any equation in terms of x or function in terms of x. Okay, so x value is given to you and delta x value is also given to you. So then find out f of x plus delta x in the function. In x place take x plus delta x, wherever x is there in the equation, right, there you take x plus delta x and simplify. Okay, then once we got f of x plus delta x, you take delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, right. Simplify. If any common term is possible, yes, definitely possible. Here if you observe these two, e to the power of x is common, so take e to the power of x outside, e to the power of delta x minus 1. Okay, and this value is delta x. So no further simplification. So substitute your x value and delta x value here. Okay, next find out dy. What is the dy? It is f dash x into delta x. F dash x means d by dx of f of x, d by dx of e to the power of x plus 1. Linear derivative plus minus is there. We will take a individual derivatives, derivative for each and every term. D by dx of e to the power of x plus d by dx of x. You know it very well with these formulas, right? So from so many days we are using these differential formulas. E to the power of ex, right, d by dx of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, and d by dx of x is 1. Right, and delta x value is 0.02. Substitute x value. We don't know e to the power of 5 value, and we don't know here e to the power of 5 as well as e to the power of 0.02. Keep those values as it is. If they are normal values, we will multiply and we will simplify it. Okay, but they are exponential values. We don't have exponential table here. Okay, so these are the two problems for today. Very simple problems. Concept always, whatever be the equation in terms of x is given, y is equal to, they will give one equation in terms of x, consider that as f of x. Find out f of x plus delta x, then find your problem as usual. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.